yesterday, because we actually watched videos of it, we watched 3 videos around circulatory system, right? Because you already watched that video, now in comparison to that with your textbook, you have more information. That is why you are able to
Yes.
say that textbook में इतना सब कुछ नहीं था, correct? Because तुम्हारे पास उससे भी ज़्यादा information. Good. So you all said in this week we learned about perimeter, we learned about circulatory system, we learned matter in chemistry. और क्या क्या किया है? Anything else? What else have you learned through this week?
Ma'am, find perimeter of rectangle.
Rectangle perimeter. Okay, fine. What else?
In short time, we learned all instruments.
In short time, you learned about musical instruments. You actually made one with a recyclable material.
Carton
So you know
box.
how much effort it takes to make a musical instrument, right? You learned a little bit about the musical instrument. So a couple of you even sang songs based on that musical instrument. And you saw how much effort it takes to make one. अब real वाला बनाने जाएंगे तो it takes a few days to make one real one. Correct? आज तो तुम लोगों ने वो कार्टन से कार्डबोर्ड से कटिंग वटिंग करके बना दिया. But still that took quite a few hours, no? ऐसा नहीं कि 10 मिनट में बन गया, right? Cutting that cardboard itself must have taken such a stressful job. My God, मेरा तो cardboard cut करती हूँ तो my hand starts hurting big time. My palms turned red. Right? You all had made so many items out of that. Good. What else did we learn this week? See, this class is about analytics and application. Means whatever you have analyzed, how you are going to apply it is what you need to know. So what else did you learn?
We learned, we spoke about our vacation.
Okay. Okay. All right. You also learned some new things in English. You learned some new things in Hindi.
Conjunction.
Yes. You learned some new things in Marathi.
Conjunctions and poem.
Okay.
Slogan.
Good.
Slogan.
Poem.
Slogan.
Slogans. Yes, slogans.
Nara.
Nara. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a small काम. एक छोटा सा काम देने वाली हूँ. Okay. अभी तुमको क्या करना है? Get your art book, get a pencil and eraser and get some crayons. I'll give you 5 minutes. Get an art book, get your pencil and eraser and get your crayons. Jaldi se.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
I got color pencil.
Color pencil, okay, no problem.
I'm ready with everything.
Not ready with everything.
Ma'am, look at my snowman I made last creativity.
Oh, that's so pretty. Very cute, very neat.
And I put glitters also.
Oh, yes, I can see. Is that green glitter? Oh, yes, I can see the
Yes.
glitter. Very nice, very
Ma'am,
nice.
I got some color pencils instead of crayons.
No problem, that is okay. मुझे बस colors चाहिए था. Color pencil हो या crayon हो, कुछ भी चलता है. बस जल्दी आ जा विहान.
I'm opening a new page.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is I'm going to give you 10 minutes each. Okay, 10 minutes to do one drawing, 10 minutes to do another drawing. Okay, the first drawing you're going to do is a small farm. Okay, a small farm. You can take the measurement, you can take what size of farm you want to make. It's all up to you. The first thing you're going to do in your art book is a small farm. Okay, उस farm को अच्छा सा picket fencing दो. Do you know what is picket fencing? तुम्हें पता picket fencing
Yes.
क्या है? Yeah, cool.
Yes.
If you all can draw some picket fencing, that will be amazing. I would really love to see some picket fencing from you guys. I will just pull up a picture of picket fencing and show it to you. Okay. Just give me a moment. I will just show you what is picket fencing. But by then, you all start getting ready with a lot of your things.
Ma'am, I fold the page into half because my art book is A3.
Yeah, your art book is A3 size. Sure, no problem. Okay. Now, can you all see this picture on your screens? Can you all see this picture on your screens? Yeah, everybody can see. See these white fences that you see, no? They are called picket fences. Picket. Okay. These white fences that you see, no? See this? You see this white fence? This is called picket fence. See
Yes.
this whole thing. This is called picket fence. So
Yes.
when you have a nice farm or a nice garden, you can use picket fences. They look very pretty. Now, uska height kya hona chahiye? It is all up to you. I want you to use picket fencing along the outer area of your farm. Okay. This farm can have buffaloes, cows, chickens, hens, sheep, whatever you want. But I'm going to give you 10 minutes. That's the only time you get. It's 9:50, 9:50. You have time until 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock tak, I need the fence. I need a few animals inside. There must be greenery inside your farm. There must be a well-defined farm. Well-defined means उसके जो corners है, उसके जो borders है, वो clear होने चाहिए. Okay? Proper border होना चाहिए. ये देख रहे हो कितना अच्छे से इसका border बनाया है. See this picture I pulled up for you right now. See this where my cursor is. See nice border they have made. It's very very clear, no? तो ये पूरा पता चल रहा है कि वो squarish है या rectangular है. It's up to them how you want to make it. Okay? There are circular picket fences also, but I want you to make a 1 minute. Vihan, 1 minute. But I want you to make either a rectangular or a square one. Okay? I want it to have sides. Yes, Vihan, bolo.
Ma'am, can I draw a 5-meter fence?
What?
5-meter fence.
Da, 5 meter you can draw on your book क्या अभी? क्या रे? तुम्हारा farm 5 meter तुम अपने book में draw कर सकते हो क्या अभी? नहीं, we are not drawing to scale, okay? You know what I'm trying to say, right? Drawing to scale. Remember we spoke about this in geography, how maps are drawn to scale, okay? I want you to use your scale, proper scale measurement and draw it. Just use
Ma'am,
proper
do we need
scale
to write the
measurement and draw it.
measurement? Do we need to write the measurement?
Not necessary right now, but quickly make the drawing. 3 minutes are gone. You only have 7 minutes left. 3 minutes gone, 7 minutes left. Okay, I'm going to close this picture now. You'll do it on your own. Have your imagination and do it nicely. Subhan, thoda seedhe बैठो. Ranveer, सीधे बैठ के करो थोड़ा. Don't bend over your book like that. Yeah, sit up straight, back straight.
Ma'am, fence is gonna take a lot of time.
Fences, yes.
You want to make a picket fence is up to you, but you need to make a fence.
Anyways, any fence will take a lot of time.
10 minutes.
I have an easy idea.
You have 6 minutes now. I need to see green pasture. पूरा फार्म का फ्लोरिंग ग्रीन दिखना चाहिए, कुछ कुछ एनिमल्स दिखने चाहिए, एंड फटाफट फेंस होना चाहिए. Wow, Ranveer has already started putting green color for his pasture. Nice, nice. Nice green base. Yes, it can be light green.
Fence.
Good. Just check out the time you have. Vihan, chill मारना बाद में, पहले drawing खत्म करो. कहाँ निकले भाई? You all have another 4 minutes left. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, एकदम फटाफट लोग काम कर रहे हैं. चलो विहान साहब जल्दी.
Ma'am.
No, you all know what is timing and you know all that. Very nice, Vihan. Continue. Vihan, continue. Make use of the next 4 minutes you have. Continue. Make animals.
Ma'am, time is going very fast.
Time doesn't go fast or slow. Time तो अपने हिसाब से ही जाता है.
मैं अपने हिसाब से रोक दो.
Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. जल्दी 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 काम खत्म करो. जब काम हाथ में हो तो बातें कम.
Ma'am, I completed a whole farm with a buffalo, duck, and a tiger.
You put a buffalo and a tiger in a farm? Since when do tigers live on farms, man? Oi! Is that a tamed tiger which will be like, yeah, hi buffalo, good morning, how do you do? Send me some milk, I plan to have some coffee with my meat.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Really, you put a tiger next to a buffalo in a farm? Interesting.
Ma'am,
Okay, Vihan, are you done with your drawing? Vihan, are you done with your drawing? Tuban, you only colored a green pasture. Where are the rest of the information that I asked for?
Ma'am, wait.
Okay, time up. All right, everybody, pens down. Pens down. Everybody,
No.
pens down. Okay.
Go back,
Subhan,
please.
Subhan, obey. 10 o'clock, pens down. Ranveer, I expect obedience. Come on. Chalo. Show me what you have done. Show me what you have done.
I have not done anything.
I saw you all do something for the last 10 minutes. So what have you done? Just show me that.
Incomplete.
Okay. This is what I expected from you all. I want you to put everything on the table. Put your pen, pencil. Subhan, please obey, my dear. Leave your pencil on that paper book. Ranveer, leave your pencil on the book. Okay. Now, let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Okay. How many fingers do I have?
5.
Do you all know that story of Ekalavya?
Yes.
No.
Yes, his teacher said you have still used my services और तुमने मुझे कोई गुरु दक्षिणा नहीं दिया है, so I am asking your thumb, so give me that. Even after giving away his thumb, how many fingers did Ekalavya have?
4.
To use the bow and arrow, the most important finger was the thumb along with these 4 fingers, right? Only then he can hold it and leave it, correct? Yes or no? Don't look lost. I'm asking very straight, simple question. To use the bow and arrow, he definitely needed his thumb, correct?
Yes.
Now, think about that with what you have done on your book. Okay? What you have done on your book. I asked you to draw a farm, right? Make a green pasture and draw some animals on it. How many things did I ask you to do? How many have you done?
I have done 2.
So you have drawn the entire farm, right? Uska pura boundary bana diya hai. You have also done the green pasture. You only haven't drawn the animal. So my dear children, you all have actually done 2 out of 3 items. You should be able to recognize what you have done instead of only thinking the one thing that you did not do. Can you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Can you understand what I'm trying to tell you? So there is no need to be disappointed. Arey, maine to itna nahi kiya. No. Be conscious of what you have been able to achieve. Respect yourself for what you have achieved. You have drawn the entire rectangular farm, correct? किया है कि नहीं? तुमने green pasture भी color कर दिया, किया है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
अब सिर्फ animal बनाना बाकी है ना? So why are you not proud of what you have completed instead of being dejected only for what you have not done? Chalo Ranveer, explain to me. Ranveer, I already said, please put your pen and pencil down when I'm talking. Please respect when people say something. Instructions must be followed. Okay. So Ranveer, tell me, why did you feel so bad? Subhan, the same instruction goes to you too. Put your pencil down. Nobody is judging you for your work right now. So leave it right now. You will get a chance to complete it. Please listen to what is being told. I cannot say any more pleases. This is not nice. Okay. So Ranveer, tell me, why were you not confident? And why were you not thinking that मैंने तो 2 out of 3 कर दिया है? I should be confidently showing कि yes ma'am, I've done so much. See, I only have to do the animal now. ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला?
And because my fence is done only half.
Okay, half हुआ है ना? Half हुआ है कि नहीं? Half हुआ है कि नहीं? Okay. Subhan, you tell me. Why were you so dejected to show what you have done when you have already done so much? Instead, you should have said, मैम मैंने तो इतना पूरा कर दिया है, सिर्फ एनिमल बनाना बाकी है. ऐसे क्यों नहीं सोचा तुमने?
एनिमल भी हो गया, सिर्फ मेरा थोड़ा रह गया था.
तो जितना हुआ है वो तुम मुझको दिखा सकते थे ना? हाँ कि नहीं?
हाँ.
Keep a smile. ये क्या है? Keep a smile. You have completed 75% of your work. Probably just 25% is left. You should be confident. Vihan, wait. Vihan, wait. I will open your mic. Wait. You should be confident of your work. अगर तुमने अपना 100% दिया है, if you have given your 100% into your efforts, be confident of it. Okay? Don't say, oh, nahi. Cheer up. Cheer up. And say that I have done so much. I know I can do the rest. अगर मुझे थोड़ा और टाइम मिलता. But क्या है ना kids, हमेशा वो extra time नहीं मिलता है. That is why planning is very important. मैं क्या पहले draw करूं, which will take more time, which will take less time, what is the requirement, what do I have to complete, all those things फट दिमाग में आना चाहिए. Okay, understood? All right. Now, how many of you used a scale to draw the farm outline? Okay. Subhan, did you use a scale to draw the farm outline? No.
Freehand drawing.
Freehand drawing. Okay, no worries. Vihan, did you use a scale to draw the farm outline? Okay. Now, what I want you all to do is, as a homework, you are going to measure your farm outline and give me the perimeter for that. Because based on that, we are going to make an order for our picket fences. Did you get what I'm saying? Now, do you understand why we need to learn perimeter? Suppose you have your own house and you want to do up the garden in your house. Garden बनाओगे तो तुम्हें उसमें fence लगाना पड़ेगा. Flower garden बनाओगे, please put your pencils down.
Down, down.
Both your hands on top. I should see both your hands. Free. Okay? You can sit like this. So flower garden बनाओगे तो तुम्हें उसके लिए fence तो लगाना पड़ेगा. Vihan, wait. तुम्हें उसके लिए fence तो लगाना पड़ेगा. Now how will you know कि मैं कितना सारा fence खरीदूं? Should I buy 2 inches of fence? Should I buy 2 meters of fence? How will you know that? You will know that when you measure the whole perimeter. Got it? Got it? Now this is why we are learning the chapter of perimeter in mathematics. Because if you need to put an outline to something, if you need to put a boundary to something, you must know how much of resources you need to use. Ranveer, why are you plucking your eyes out? Leave your eyes alone, beta, please. Okay. So this is why we are learning the topic of perimeter. Okay. So your homework today is to please measure your fence. Subhan, if you have not used a scale to do that, and if you have just used freehand drawing, what you do, जो भी तुम्हारा picture है, उसके 2-3 मिलीमीटर बाहर एक scale से पूरा drawing करो. Okay. And then extend it to that much. because you have still not learned how to calculate perimeter of a curved space, right? You have not learned how to calculate perimeter of a curved space. You have only learned how to calculate perimeter of straight lines. Correct? So you draw it with your scale and then you put a measure to it and let me know the measurement along with the picture. Understood?
Yeah.
अब घर में बैठ के आराम से चिकन, बफेलो, लायन, टाइगर, जिसको उसके साथ टी पार्टी में डालना है डालो. That is your homework.
Tea party.
Completing your farm is your homework for analytics and application. Happy now? Happy now?
Thank you.
Do it nicely, send a nice, neat work. Do it nicely and send a nice, neat work. Got it? Okay? Chalo, pack it up. Snacks time. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed today. Very nice, Subhan. Nice, nice, nice. अभी उसके अंदर घर बनाया है ना, तो घर को अलग कलर करो. वरना लगेगा पूरा घर भी हरा है, फार्म भी हरा है. No color discrimination. No color differentiation. थोड़ा कलर हाईलाइट करोगे तो the house will look better. चलो. Wrap this up. This is your homework, not your classwork. Dudes. Come on, it's snack time. Chalo. Enjoy. Snack time. Bye-bye.